So far we have created our first demo project. If I go and explore what is the content is there inside this project, you can see one SRC main Java, SRC test Java, JRE system library, Maven dependencies, SRC target, pom.xml. Among this, we need to more concentrate on these two, that is SRC main Java, SRC test Java, next pom.xml, these three. And the target usually should not get created at the time of creating our project, but we are using Eclipse. By default, even this folder got created. Okay, just ignore this one for time being. If we talk about SRC main Java, this is the actual application code we need to write it. Anyway, we have used the default template. That is the reason we get a defined project. Okay, there is a package called com.demo company first demo project, and there is a application called app.java. This has been by default it came, and if I double click on this one, the file get opened over here. This is the content of this file, and it is just like a printing hello world. Okay, so that is about the application what we have created at this moment. Similar way, SRC test Java, it contains the test cases. So whatever application we are writing, if we would like to test that application is working fine or not, then we should create the test cases as well, right? So even this is a default application, so we got some default test cases, that is apptest.java. Okay, this is the test case which we have got it. All right. Next one is pom.xml, nothing but project object model, which tells about that what are the dependencies to run this project, and also what is the outcome of the project, and what is the name of the project and version. All this information is stored over here. We have given our Maven coordinates, right? Like group ID, artifact ID, and version. That information gets stored under pom.xml. You can see here, this is the group ID of this project and artifact ID as well as the version ID. Okay, apart from this, it has some other information which we are going to discuss in the later point of time, but this is how the directory structure get created whenever we use the default archetype template. But usually developers write all this application by creating the empty directory structure. We are not developers, we are just understanding how developers are working with the application. That is the reason I just gone through with the archetype, which will create a sample project. That's all for this lecture. In next lecture, we are going to see how to build this project. Thanks for watching and see you there.